Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Congratulations to me. My account has been approved. My Tutor Connect Global account is now approved. Congratulations to me. If you have my previous video or you missed it, please go back to that video and watch it. I made a full tutorial on how to register and how to make your account get approved. So guys, can you see now my account is approved? And I told you guys that if you are registering and if your account is approved, come back to the comment section and let us know. So my account is approved and the next thing for me to do now is to do the necessary thing because a document was sent to me to sign and write my name. So that is what I'm going to put you through now. Let's do this together. Okay, let me introduce myself. This is Streamer TV, and in this channel, we talk about how to make money online. So, if you are just watching this video for the very first time, I urge you to check my other videos, especially this particular one on how to register on Tutor for National. Once you are done watching that one, you can come back to this one and watch how to get your account signed, how to sign the document, and wait for another approval. Then, before starting your teaching. Now, this is the document, the one that is written tutor guide. So, first thing first, you need to click on open link. Once you open the link, it will show this. Okay, once you are done reading all the things that is needed to be read, because in the document it stated that you are going to this application is going to take 30% of your earning, then you have 70%. So if you are setting your price per hour, so you need to mind the amount you are setting so that once the system takes their own percentage, you still have enough for yourself. Sign it. So you're going to write your name, your signature, and the date. Once you are done, then you go back to the place and click on submit. You go back to the teacher guide and click on submit. Then you now upload this signed document. And mind you, you have to upload it digitally. I mean, you have to sign it digitally, not printed and then snap and send again. No, everything should be online. Let's read the what is in the document. So the table of contents says getting started, how to platform work, student communication, conducting lessons, payments and payments. So let's just go straight to the getting started. First thing first, you verify your email, complete your profile information, upload the professional photo, add qualifications and certifications, update your availability schedule, include platform policy, submit any required information document. So number 3 says how to talk on network. Clients search for tutors. Clients can easily search for tutors by subject, your grade level, your language, availability, and experience. Because of our time, I cannot read everything one by one. Then conducting of the lesson. We used to do it to prepare lesson material, test internet connection, ensure a quiet teaching environment. So guys, this is what you are required to do before you start teaching any student, because they are very important. It needs to be out of where you give a distraction, out of noise, out of you make sure that your internet is stable and no distraction. So be punctual, engage students actively, encourage participation, and then after the lesson, provide feedback, recommend next step. assigned classes. So guys, you need to take your time and read this guide so that once you get started, you will not make any mistake. Then this is a code of conduct, and this is it. So once you get to this place, you write your name, your signature, and date. I've done mine already. As you can see, I did it and it's very neat, and I've submitted it as well.